Will it explode? Everything edition. What is going on, guys? It's your boy, Brandon, here. And today is our video, Will It Explode? We haven't done these in a while. We haven't posted in a while, but I'm ready and I'm feeling better than ever. I know I have my shoes off, but it's okay.
We can't scare those kids away because those aren't kids, they're adults.
Oh crap. Oh, and that. So guys, there's some adults here, so and one baby. So it might be a little bit weird. So we're doing the lemons first. First we got our guy up there. He's gonna throw it in the middle of the street.
He's just our guy.
Yeah, he's our guy.
I just hope that baby is a good chaperone for those adults.
One. Plan B.
Should I go?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's a great idea.
Plan B. Well, he didn't get anything. Yep, that's it.
It's harder to break everything else.
Terrible things that leap pad and the ABC
It's a mouse, guys. It's just a mouse.
Okay.
Wait. Come on, go, 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 go.
This ever since
go,
ABC Mouse came into my life.
Oh, it popped, go, go. Oh,
Run over.
keep on going. Oh,
Wait
Oh, no.
here. Run
oh.
Don't do that.
Ah, there we go. All right, that's it. All right,
So once he opened it, I didn't
Get
even
away,
get
let
it,
me-
but he broke it.
Yeah, see. We gotta get a new mouse now.
So those angry, salty adults were like,
Well, one of the ladies was really nice. And
yeah, no,
and
she was
talking
like,
to the baby.
she was like talking to the baby, and she's like, "Hey, what is he doing with that lemon?" I'm like, explaining to this baby, and then
Like, I'm trying to throw this lemon,
and destroying it. So,
so
and then
we're gonna go to the dog park and see what happens there.
Grandma, I thought I told you.
So we're now gonna throw this old home phone. On.
Oh my god, dude, look at the damage. Look at it. All the pieces are like
That's
dead.
a lot of damage.
That looks
Told you it wasn't a Nokia.
Hey, yo, grandma,
The other one, fool.
yo.
I got my flip phone right here. It has some messages from my mom and dad, and they're arguing. I hate it, so I'm gonna kill it. All right?
Kill it.
Yoink!
Like, kill it. Kill your mom. I said nothing.
All right,
Oh my
hang
God.
on, wait. Gonna do it one more time.
Gonna have to turn off the audio for this one.
Here's the battery.
Yeah. He killed that like his dad killed his mom.
Yep.
Oh
All right.
God.
Well, thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching, guys.